Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyar Kolando and I am your favorite Kenyan YouTuber. In today's video, I want to be sharing with you guys some tips and tricks on how to ensure maximum hair growth and minimize hair breakage while wearing three-strand braids. As you all know, these braids are a protective style and you want to get the maximum benefit from all of it. So if that's what interests you, kindly make sure you watch to the very end, and please ensure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also do drop a comment in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's just get right into it. So first and foremost, during the installation process, you want to ensure that you don't grip all the hairs, like you don't grip all the small and fragile hairs, especially at the nape or even at the hairline, guys. As you can see me doing here, I'm leaving out some of the hairs out. It doesn't mean that it's not so clean. It means that the hair will be protected from the damage or from the pressure due to the pulling at the scalp. As you can see, the hair has been gripped tightly, but ensuring that minimal breakage is achieved, right? So that's what you want to do. Whenever you go to a hairstylist or whenever you are braiding your hair, make sure you put that into consideration, because again, we want to prioritize having healthier hair than longer hair. So you really have to take care of your nape and your hairline. Another thing that I like while doing my braids is that, okay, first of all, this is just my personal preference. You don't really have to do this, but it's just my personal preference. So whenever you are doing this, the micro braid, you don't have to do micro, like really small three-strand braids, because whenever you do the micro braids or the small braids, you will be sectioning, you or your hairstylist will be sectioning off little parts of hair, and whenever you add the hair extension, there will be a lot of pressure mounted to the small strand of hairs that was sectioned out. So when the pressure is too much, your hair will be prone to breakage, because maybe it won't withstand the amount of pressure mounted on it, and therefore will lead to a lot of breakage. And again, guys, this is just my personal preference. You don't have to do this, but that's what I really like. I don't like to do the micro or the small braids. Instead, I prefer to do the medium sized braids. And whenever I am parting, I always go for the U parts. I don't like doing box braids. It's just a personal preference again. So again, as I said, whenever you are doing your hair or you go to your hairstylist, ensure you tell them to leave out the small strands of hair that won't withstand the amount of pressure that will be added onto them, especially at the nape of the hair and at the hairline. And also, while gripping the hair, you don't want to apply so much tension to the hair, and after that, you don't want to feel like you have a headache or something, or your hair is being pulled out of your scalp. The pressure that should be applied on the scalp should be just minimal, so as to prevent breakage. And also, when you do really tight braids, you also get to have a lot of itchiness to the hair, and your scalp will have these rashes. So it's better you do not so loosely, but kinda loose braids a little bit, and protect your hair from all the elements. Another thing you should keep in mind is that since this style is a long-term protective style, you have to make sure that your hair is well cared for before installing all these braids. You have to make sure that you have moisturized your hair well enough. Use your leave-in conditioner and all those good stuffs to boost nutrients to the hair strands and everything. You want to also make sure that if your hair needs some protein treatment, you give it to it so that it can be strong and well able to withstand the pressure and the tension during the manipulation while installing the hair, and also for the long haul that you will have your hair extensions in. Let's say maybe you plan on having your hair extension in for a whole month, so make sure you prepare your hair well for that. And also, while also having the braids in, ensure that you moisturize your hair regularly. After installing, you don't want to leave your hair at that. You have to make sure that you moisturize properly, you clean your scalp. If you have to wash your scalp, wash it if that sits well with you. Just do anything to ensure that the hair remains healthy, the scalp remains clean, and all that good stuff. Another area that one should be so keen about is during the takedown process, guys. During the takedown of the box braids, you want to be so gentle and try using a conditioner so as to remove the buildup, or just use plain water so as to remove the buildup. You don't want to go in with your fingers or a comb and just take out the matted hair or the buildup as dry as it is, because that will cause a lot of breakage and damage. You just want to be gentle with all of it. Make sure you pamper your hair. I also find that during takedown of the protective styles, and also during maybe let's say wash days, it's where a lot of breakage can occur, and that's why people don't retain much hair as they should, because hair grows. So that's another key area you should take into consideration. And lastly, guys, I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a new video. Also, do make sure you like the video and comment in the comment section. Just comment anything about natural hair journey, what is it that you struggle with, or just anything out there, so that we may interact. So until next time, I hope you did enjoy the video, and thanks for watching to this point. Bye.